sabi ko sa inyo, wala ako masyadong alam sa ACAD. As in, first time ko maging member ng ACAD's department this year, tapos wala akong ginawa. So, nag-donate ako ng 1 LP, kasi yun lang yun. Pero, for me, parang, I've been running for this position because I want to create opportunities for members na tulad ko na sumali lang sa department na to, tapos hindi ako shooter, hindi ako marunong ng questions, hindi ako project head. So, I want to provide them opportunities to be active in this department. So, my platform is 3P. So, yung first P natin is pledge. For members, they should pledge LTs at least 3 or siguro kung pwede i-compromise pa ilang sets of LTs na hindi math subject na math major. So, like math 11, math 19, math 20, and whatever, kung ano math na lang. So that ma-improve naman yung LT sets ng math department, na ALS. So, kapag mas maganda na siya, mas madami na siya, for every prof, meron sila isang set of LTs. Kapag pupunta sa atin ang members ng ALS community, sasabihin nila, prof, kasi ganito, meron kami LT. So, meron na i-provide sa kanila. So, kung i-continue natin ito for the next 2 years, mas maganda yung magiging perception ng ALS community sa orgs and yung goods natin, mag-improve pa siya. Kasi again, it's centered in, kasi mas bago na yung LT set, hindi yung mga tipong 1990s pa siya. And then, second point is prep. So, gusto ko magkaroon ng prep course and it's centered on AMS members or for math majors especially. Kasi, kunwari, freshman ako, nakapasok ko lang sa math 18 or math 12 sa mga 18 na siguro hindi nila kailangan kasi magaling sila. So, yung math 18 people, alam nila, ito prof ko, anong kailangan ko, what do I need to do to pass? So, this prep course would tell them what they need to focus on, how they should study, so that they can set up their study habits so that they could be better math majors. And then, hindi lang siya for math 18, siguro for math 21 na rin for the next semester, since it's a new kind of math, and then math 101, math 122, 151, and then also stat, and then all the other math subjects, so that kapag nandun na sila sa point na yun, hindi na sila magkakandahirapan, and they know that AMS is here to support them in their academic life. And then, third P is propose. I would propose a new system for the NSTP, as in, magkaroon ng AMS members that will be the area heads of the NSTP. But for me, important to kasi, naging yung NSTP ko for second semester ko last year sa org siya. And nag-active ako sa org na to, mas nag-active ako sa org na to kasi may area heads ako na member ng org na yun. So, if we have members that are the area heads of the AMS NSTP, we can create bridges to the second year members. And in turn, pwede sila mag-active more kasi may kilala na sila. And mas madali siyang way to advertise the projects ng AMS, and they would know that the AMS is there for them, and yung NSTP natin is not just connected sa AMS by name or by the modules na ginagawa ng AMS,